Some tall ceilings. Is that a bathroom?
I look at that little event happening that day. I think that caution take on the playground.
It's rough out here. It's rough out here in the mean streets of West Bloomfield. You feel? No, this is just regular Bloomfield, I think. Don't quote me. I mean, what's over here? Nothing.
Just the garage and the closet area.
Mm-hmm. Check out this kitchen. Yeah, me too.
It don't seem to be in the right area.
What? That's what I said. We wasn't paying attention. I was like, so they put with this huge house in the middle of all these tiny little homes.
I heard you speak out. I was thinking on camera for you.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
No, work out. It's my name. It's like ice ball.
You said it looked like who? Ice balls. Okay. Oh, they're still laying aside. No, I said he out there laying the side. Laying aside, yeah. I feel like the house this big should have a double door.
Yeah.
You know.
I do like the door. It's different.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, these houses over here is like, it's kind of like you thumbing your nose at the neighbors. You feel me? I want my surroundings to be equal to me, personally.
Ice ball.
Oh, ice balls. I get it. That is dope, though.
The view from up here.
Yes, yes. Turn the light on. I'm moving. I like these. I like these.
I like the mixed design in the bathroom. You got your stripes and then you got your like circle songs. I don't know the proper name.
Mm-hmm. I like this. It's dope. So what's this room? Oh, this the closet. Yeah, they got some big closets, even in the kids' rooms or the extra room.
Two, three closets. And this bathroom is kind of,
I'm about to say this ain't the master. No.
this bathroom kind of blah.
I noticed they didn't put mirrors in this one. I wonder why.
Probably
That
because
is
people.
dope. Turn the light on real quick. That is
I don't
dope.
like the bathroom.
I'm talking about that tile specifically. Yeah.
Tile.
This is kind of dangerous, ain't it? If you close it, yeah, I wouldn't like that. Because it's supposed to open. Well, it do open this way, okay. Yeah, I like that tile. See, this is what I want to do to the house on Kilbourne, this glass. Let me take a picture of it, actually. I want this done off. Well, tickle away for me.
Probably right back.
I'm tickle free out here.
They got a second. Wait, what?
Nothing. Oh, the laundry room is nice.
Second floor laundry room, fire all.
You can chill in here. They need a TV. Wash clothes in peace. Let me see if they soft clothes. Okay, yep, they are.
Each bedroom has their own bathroom.
1, 2 bedroom, three so far. So it's 3.
They all got their own bathroom. I do like that.
Yes.
They have my bathroom.
Yeah, that's true. None of them have mirrors. I wonder why.
They can hang up whatever type of mirror they want. Bring your stuff.
So
Because guess what? Let's go check out their master.
I'm just saying, out of all the places I've been in, I've never seen them without mirrors. I guess they saving money some kind of way. The mirrors can get costly.
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Love it. So this is like a vanity space.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, their wood look is fire. Period. Don't push me.
Get out the way.
His and her sinks. Separate toilet because you do like to invade with the space.
Yeah, I like to poop in peace.
Yes. No, you like to invade with the bathroom.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is dope.
Oh, God. Baby, you can put a whole apartment in this bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my God.
Right.
Make your closet.
They ain't got mirrors nowhere. That's crazy. I like my mirrors. That's cool. Where you at?
In this closet.
That's a big bedroom. Good Lord.
You can get a whole apartment.
You could, yeah, you could. This is definitely the size of some studio apartments. Oh yeah, this is huge. That other one, this make that other one look stupid. This house the same price.
This is how you do a master bedroom. Period.
Remember the house we just left with the 2 separate closets?
Ever since I went that water work on our road, I've been struggling. You said what?
Stop coughing on my video.
These people know how to design a house, baby. And they know how to design a master bedroom, baby.
It's not much of a design. It's just a big space
No,
with
they not.
shelves.
They're thinking clearly. Every room has their own bathroom. Every room has a lot of closet space.
Mm-hmm.
And their master is tremendous, spectacular.
Yeah, I do
These
like.
designers know what they do.
I do like the minimal look. I mean,
These designers know what they do.
I like colors, but I like the way they
But I
did
think
this
they
too.
left it there on purpose for it to be up to the person who buys
Yeah, but I wouldn't want to paint this whole house again. Just like I just color it with
it.
art. Yeah, I like it. I just color it with art. I wouldn't paint the walls. Maybe a bedroom or two, but I wouldn't do the whole house.
Yeah, I like the way it is, baby. You got your bed, you got a couch area, you might even have a study area. Like you can do so much with this space.
Word.
You can put an office in here, you can put a bed in here, you can put your couch lounge area in here. You got a little nook where you read, you know.
I do.
You got your king size bed for sure. Put you a little beer skill. Might be able to wheel you in a little fireplace. You know, wheel you in. Yeah.
Oh, we ain't checked the basement out.
Oh yeah, we still gotta check the basement out.
We in there. That's a nice bathroom though.
It is. They did good.
Turn the lights off.
Turn the lights off. You know, Beyonce works. And man. There's a thermostat here.
Just for the bedroom?
I think it's, just keeps the kids from touching it for sure.
No, it's another one I seen. That's old. What? Hold on. Why they put this old thermostat in here?
That's their business.
That's crazy. But
Well,
yeah.
it's a furnace right here.
Right. That's what. So it must be this for this floor then.
Right.
Come on.
Ooh, finished basement.
But they put this flooring everywhere. This is nice. This is super nice. Yeah, that's dope. And they got a bathroom down here.
Go to the bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
I guess this can be a kitchen. You can throw a phone in the refrigerator. And this is you a little apartment.
Mm-hmm.
And I wouldn't even put a stove. I put a microwave right here. And you got you a good lounge area.
Man, this is dope.
Yeah.
I'm not mistaken, this one only $2 million.
That's not bad.
No, because the other one that looked identical to this one was $4 million. It was in a different area. That's why I know they probably built it over here because cheaper land or whatever. And that other one was in West Bloomfield, and it was $4 million. I'm like, Jesus, same price. I mean, same house, same square footage.
Yeah, I like this.
I think this basement is bigger though. The other one, I remember the basement being kind of small. It's got a bathroom too, or closet? This a closet? Oh, okay, yeah, closet. So, hold on, it is a.
No, that's just.
Utility. Oh, another sub pump. Yeah. Okay. Why didn't cut off? Oh, it's in here. Nice egress. So they made this egress look good. They put the brick instead of that ugly little metal thing.
Yeah, I just like that they made good use of the space. Cause you ever seen a house that's like $2 million or whatever, and they have a bunch of space and you don't do nothing with it. Like, what are you doing with all the space? They made really good use of the space. It's not just empty space.
I like this too. Accent wall.
I see these little squares. I seen the a video on how to do your stuff, and it's so simple.
Yeah, they can get them from Amazon. Well, that ain't those though. That's actual just wood. They cut and painted over.
You can get scrap wood from anywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one.
Mm-hmm. As you can see, the surrounding houses are extremely small. It's like 5 times all the houses surrounding it. 5 times bigger. Yeah, it is weird to be like, huh? It just be weird. Like you walk out and I don't know. Look at the size of this refrigerator. I didn't get this. Goodness gracious. This is the size of most people's one refrigerator. This.
I like to made in. When we do our kitchen, we should do it made in cabinet.
It's big fridge. I guess.
This is a huge.
But it's.
I think it's 2 separate pieces.
Yeah, it's just made 2 separate pieces put together. But all right. I think we got everything. Yeah, we did.